How to fix TikTok couldn't change the profile picture. Hello guys, in this new tutorial I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do is very simple. Just open the settings on your phone and then make sure that the Bluetooth and all the options are enabled. Also the Wi-Fi, you should disable it. After that, go to the apps manager, go to apps, go to TikTok, and now all what you have to do on this page is very simple. Just click here on force stop and then go to data usage. Make sure that all those network access options are enabled. Go back again to the apps and search for Google Play right here. Let's search for it. Google Play Store, and here click again on force stop on Google Play Store. And that's it. Now restart your phone and reopen TikTok and the problem must be solved. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you later.